friends, my name is Pammy. My nickname is Percy. Welcome back to Percy and Janisha's Cuties channel. So today I'm going to show how to log in through Tinkercad, and I'll show how to create 3D designs and code blocks. Tinkercad is an amazing, powerful, easy tools to create 3D designs. This is useful to create an apps in future. So let's get begin. So first we have to search Tinkercad in Google search bar. So you can see Tinkercad create 3D digital designs with online CAD and login. You can click any of these. I'm going to click on this. This is Tinkercad screen. On the right side we have some buttons. So over here we have to choose sign in. And here you can see the login options. They are email or username, sign in with Google, sign in with Apple. So you have to choose sign in with Google. I'm going to click on it. It's loading. If you are using this Tinkercad first time, then you have to give your login details. Now first I'm gonna do a 3D design. You can see these all are my earlier projects. Okay, let it be. Now you can see here option 3D design. You have to click on it. Then you will get this page. So now the work plane. This is like a die. If we click on front, it will show you the front view. And if we click on the right, it will turn into right. And if we click in the bottom, we can see bottom work plane. So this option is home view. If we click on home view, our work plane will be back again in its size. This is fit all in view, and this is zoom in, and this is zoom out. This when we click on this, we can see the bottom. If we want to see the flat surface, we can see when we'll click back. So now these are shapes, basic shapes. See many options over here. I want to click on this, so I'll get the shape. So now I'm gonna choose cylinder. Hope you know how to drag and put on the work plane. So if you want to decrease the height, you will click on this option and you will get this numbers option, and now you're gonna choose how much height you want. I want 5 height and I got this much height. Now I want to change the sides. So I'm gonna put 24 over here also. So you can see how big it came. I am creating a ring. For that I have chosen colored cylinder, and I have decreased the height and increased the width. So now I'm gonna choose colored less cylinder, and I'm gonna drag. So now for this colored less cylinder, I'm gonna just decrease the height. So we have got the height. Now we have to choose both the cylinders, and now we are gonna put align. This is align option. I'm gonna click on it. So now we have got some buttons. In that you have to choose the middle one, and you have to choose over here too. So now you didn't get the ring. So here is an arrow option. If you click on it, you will get the red option and you have to click on it and your ring is done. So now I have completed my project. So this is how ring looks like. I want to give a text to this ring, so I am going to choose text option and drag it over here. And now I want to write my name, so I am gonna write my name. Now I have got my name. You can just drag it over here. Now I have done my name. I want to change the color of this name. So I am gonna just click over here and you get lots of colors. I like pink, so I am gonna just choose pink. Hope you all understand how to create 3D designs. So now I am gonna show you how to create code blocks. So for that we have to go back. So we have got, now here is an option code blocks. We have to click on it and we get create code blocks. We have to click on that code blocks. It's loading. So here we have to choose no. So here is the Tinkercad code block screen. So first I'm gonna choose one shape and drag it. So I have dragged it. Now I have gone to modify and I'm gonna choose the option move and drag it and attach it to the shape. So I want to change the shape color. So I'm gonna just click over here and I get the colors. I also like red, so I'm gonna choose red. So now I'm gonna choose other shape, any other shape, sphere. I dragged it and again we have to put the move. Over here you can change the numbers, only the Z. I'll choose 3 and over here I'll choose 1. So I have done. So I want to see over in this work plane, but I can't. Now if you want to see it, you have to click on the step option. So I'm clicking on it. You can see the designs over here. Yeah, I made it. So this I made it. Now I want to see it in a video. So I'm gonna click the play option and I'll get it automatically. So this I made it. Now I want to put a name and over here we don't get the name option to click like this. So we have to go in this square and you will get a text option and you have to remove that and you have to put your name if you want to put, or you can put any other things also. So I have wrote my name. So now I'm gonna put move option again so that it will move. Choose the height of it. It will come over here. So I'm gonna choose 50. So I have done and now I'm gonna play the video. You can see it. Now I want to change the color again. I don't want this color. So I'll choose blue. want to see our work plane fully, you have to drag it back. So now you can see our work plane. I'll show you how it looks like. So this is our today's session, friends. So how did you feel this session, friends? So what did we learn today? Today we have learned how to sign in Tinkercad, how to create 3D designs and how to do code blocks. If you have any query, you can send it in comment section. So hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye-bye.